Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider.
So you want to install Windows on your computers, but you don't want to be trapped into a Microsoft account? Before now, I have done some videos on how to skip or bypass logging into a Microsoft account during installation of your Windows. You will see the links to these videos in the description of this particular video, and I will also pin them in the comment section. You can try any of them, and I believe one will work for you. Today, here is another method for you to try to skip or bypass logging into Microsoft account. Start your installation. While you install, continue the process up to this point. You can put in your name here if you want, or for me, I skip. I recommend setup for personal use. And on the next page, you pause. Hold on your Shift key and press F10, Shift F10 or Function Shift F10 depending on your computer or the kind of keyboard you use to get the command prompt box. You may have this pop up. This is not a problem. If you don't have it, it's okay. It's just to show you the version of the Windows that I'm using, 23H2. This method works for 23H2. In the CMD box, you type ipconfig /release. Press the Enter key. It's possible you get an error like this, or you get error about the address has not been set or no operation can be performed. Whatever error you get, any kind of error you get, don't panic, don't worry. Just close the command prompt box. Then here you go to the back button here. If the Windows you're trying to install is a higher version like 24H2 and above, then you may not have this back button. But if you're using 23H2 and below, this works. So click the back button here and you can now proceed to entering your details. Now I put in my name as I want it. And I don't want to use password, no password for me. You can put in password if you want. From here, you should be able to continue with the process for you to complete the installation of your Windows. So this is creating a local account for you and not a Microsoft account, and the local account works. It looks like all the apps are wiped out and you cannot see your Microsoft apps. Don't worry. Remember, a moment ago we were in the command prompt and we logged off the ipconfig. So now there are two ways to fix that. You can restart your computer and it will be fixed automatically, or you use the command prompt. Type search CMD and right mouse click on command prompt to run as administrator. You can do it directly here. In the command prompt, you type the text ipconfig /renew. And you are going to see your IP configuration details and address. Please let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you.